Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about a site that will help you gain those 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time on your videos. And this site will help you monetize your channel for free of cost, and it will take your very little time, that is 6 minutes only, and in that 6 minutes you will get 1 hour of watch time. And this site is very useful for new YouTubers to get their channel monetized. So now move on to the site and learn everything in detail. So now simply go to Google and type monetization easy or monetizationeasy.com. Now click on this second site, that is monetization easy. So here, as you can see, that this is the interface of this site, where you will get subscribers, watch hours, video likes and so on your channel. And it is a free trial for new YouTubers to gain those 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. So here, as you can see, that in their free trial you will get only 500 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. You can also pay them to get more subscribers and more watch hours. So simply click on free trial and then click on sign up, and from here simply type any email address and set a password for your email address as shown in the video. So now here you need to give your channel ID. Simply go to your YouTube account and copy and paste your channel ID here as shown in the video, and then click on add channel. So here it is the dashboard of this site, where I have 0 subscribers and 0 watch hours. And to gain subscribers and watch hours, you need to watch videos, and for subscribers you need to subscribe another person's channel. And if you pay them, then you don't need to subscribe any channel and don't need to watch any videos. So simply go to these 3 lines and then click on subscribers, and you will come to this page where you have subscribe buttons. So here you can read about the subscribers, that is how you will get your subscribers. You just need to subscribe any channel, and in return you will get subscribers, and it will take 24 hours to approve your subscribers, and in return you will get subscribers for your channel. Simply click on subscribe button and then you will be redirected to YouTube, and here you just need to subscribe that channel and then go back to the site and then again do the same process as shown in the video. So here now again click on subscribe and then subscribe that channel on YouTube and do the same process to gain subscribers. And it is very good method because there is no chance of YouTube spam and unsubscribers, because this site is helping you to gain those 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time to monetize your channel. Do the same process as shown in the video. Now again go to the 3 lines and then now click on watch hours. So here as you can see that it is written that this will take your 6 minutes time and play the video one by one. So you just need to play all these 10 videos as shown in the video. Simply click on all the videos one by one, and it will take your 6 minutes only, and in that 6 minutes you will gain 1 hour of watch time, and it is very beneficial for you. So here, as you can see that my 7 videos has ended. Now wait for 3 more videos to complete. So here, as you can see that I have got 1 hour of watch time for my videos, and in only 6 minutes I got 1 hour of watch time for my videos. So it is a very good site for all of us. Now again click on these 3 lines and then click on submit data. So here you just need to provide your video link. Simply go to your channel and select any video which is of 6 minutes or more than 6 minutes. So here now I am selecting any video from my channel. You just need to copy the link of that video and then again go to the site and then paste the video link here. And now just wait for 24 hours to get the watch time back for your videos. Hope you will like this video and thank you for watching.